UniFi Access is specially designed for a door unlocking solution with intuitive user experience, seamless installation, multi-site scalability. So here is the UniFi Access Starter Kit. First we have the UniFi Access Hub, aka control system for door unlocking solution. Then we have 4 ports for power, UA Pro, reader Lite and GR3 flex camera. Then we have this mount bracket for UA Hub. Moving forward to UA Pro, bracket for outdoor use, also a POE port at the back. Now proceeding forward, reader Lite for indoor placement with a POE port at the back with backplate. Then last but not the least, NFC cards with 20 cards in a pack, clean and sleek in design. That's it from the unboxing video. Thank you for watching.